All right, so we got it out of the box. This is the little package that comes with it, and we're still working on that. So I think this, judging by the pictures, is the little monitor stand that you can attach to the side here if you want to put a touch monitor on it. That's exactly what that is. So that'll be the monitor stand. So eventually I can put a computer monitor hooked up to the laptop so we can always see what's going on. I'll set it there for now. This is the little handle. That's pretty cool. It's spring loaded. And we've got the little key wafer up there. So it's about the only assembly that I see so far. And then it looks like they give us a cool little toolbox. This is our foot pedal. I guess our go button. USB cable. Aw, they gave us our little tape measure. And that's in millimeters. That's the first we've seen one of those. Cool little Allen key set. Wow, they really give you everything you need. Here's our keys. It is a safety system.
Upside down.
If you want, you can give yourself a tattoo. These are the little guides that screw in here that act as like little jigs, especially if you're repeating the same thing over and over. Let's see here, we have an adapter. We will figure that out later. But it looks like it takes regular wire in there, so we must have to wire something up. We shall see. This is the USB drive that has all the software on it. Screws. Power cable. Not getting far without that. Oh, now they are hot. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we'll get this thing together, get it up and running, and we'll be back.